So HOTWAV has announced the Cyber 18. The brand also announced the Cyber 17, but in this video we'll talk about the Cyber 18 because it's a little bit more better than the Cyber 17. Although the Cyber 18 is still just a mid-range rugged phone, its specs are not special. They are not unique, nothing special about this device because it's very affordable. And speaking of affordability, the price of the device is about $357, although it's not available currently, but the device will likely launch before the end of the month. Anyway, let's explore its top features. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So let's talk about its design first. As you can see, the device actually comes in two, design options. At the back of the phone, you've got that carbon fiber style texture, aggressive lines and reinforced corners that tells you that this is a durable device. Also at the back is a dual camera setup, an RGB ring, and a mini secondary display that gives it a very futuristic, almost cyberpunk vibe. It looks like a smartwatch embedded into your phone. It's a really nice design, guys. And on the front, you've got a water drop notch display with thick bezels and reinforced edges. This is a rugged phone. The device isn't designed to be sleek. It's designed to be able to survive harsh conditions. Now, as regarding the specs of the phone, well, here they are. So these are the top features of the HOTWAV Cyber 18. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. As I said earlier, the device would likely launch before the end of the month. But if I could get the official release date of this device, I'll definitely share with you guys. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.